Say hi.
Hi.
Today we're gonna open chocolate. Okay.
I'm so excited.
No, we're so excited. Huh? Let's go. Open the chocolate egg, baby.
Wow.
Oop.
Oh, chocolate.
Ano pa, Daddy?
Open mo yun.
Here, toy. Yeah.
Open. Tigas. Okay. Alagay mo dito yung ano.
Wow.
Chocolate. Ayan.
What's my bed?
Lagay mo dito yung chocolate.
Hi, Princess Stella. Wow. Princess Stella, Annie.
Ah.
Wow, Princess Stella, Annie. Princess Stella.
Open chocolate.
Like, okay, open chocolate. Did it. One more chocolate. And
Okay. Okay.
open.
Yun nga.
Wow, ito mo na. Wow, cute. Oh, jeez. Wow, I do like it. I do like it. Yeah, look, Daddy.
Wow.
So
Sino
cute.
dito? Open.
Open.
Open. Can you open it ba? Ayan, open mo, open mo.
Mama.
Yes.
Princess Belle. Mommy, Princess Belle.
Wow, it's Princess Belle.
Hit you. Mommy, hit you. Hit you. Hit you. Akin to. Wow. Tayo na.
So this is me.
This.
Wow.
Hello, Mommy.
Hi, Annie.
Mommy.
Let's try to open the other egg.
Let's open one more egg.
One last egg. Sana si Ariel.
Kasi natay na sarap na kasi.
Ganon.
Nata.
Wala akong idea.
Mama.
Hindi kasi
Ganun pala.
basta
Mama!
nakita ko.
Mama.
Yes.
Open.
You try to open.
Crack,
Parang
no,
egg.
crack.
Parang egg.
I did. Daddy,
Ah, you did it.
I did. Mommy did.
Yes, you did it. Yay.
Open that. Open.
Yes,
Need
squeeze mo.
help?
Si Belle ulit. Color blue ang dress.
Okay.
Same. Umuulit pala siya. Hindi pala siya,
Naman dito, Princess Stella.
It's okay. Nag-share sila ng dress ni
Umbrella.
Belle. Cinderella and Belle. Tadan!
Tonita.
Twins sila, twins.
Mhm.
I'm just like you. You're just like me. O, ganun yun, no?
Dami mami.
Mhm.
Oh, dami mami.
Pakita mo na. Ano yung toys na naget mo?
Dami mami, oh. Tayo si mami.
Pakita mo yung toys mo. Pakita mo yung toys na naget mo. Pakita mo, baby, yung toys. Oh, ito yung toys na naget mo, baby. Pakita mo dito, oh.
That's you.
Pakita mo yung toys na naget mo, oh. Hmm?
Kaya may pumatay ng langaw dito.
Mhm.
Kasi yung pumatay ng langaw kanina.
Ano po?
Dito kanina sa flat.
Nom, nom, nom.
Say mo, here are the toys that I got. Pakita mo yung toys mo. Pakilala mo yung toys mo.
Yana, what's my dad?
Okay.
Kanina pa pala.
Good. Now, what is one? Mommy, oh.
Thank you.
Mommy.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.